Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Matthias. This is Kelvin. We are from GMC Software, and we do customer communications, and we do that since the last 20 years. So what I have on screen now here, you see, is a research document which is sent by security companies or research desk of banks to the investors. The way it is done is not really personalized. It's not mobile at all, and most of the time it includes a very old process, which is sometimes even based on Microsoft Word. What we're going to show today is how we're going to revolutionize this research documents for securities companies and banks. What you can see on the iPad now is an interactive document, which is a research report, which contains fresh information from data providers such as Bloomberg. And it gives an overview of what happened at today's trade when it was open. So you can, for example, see that if we click on STI, you get the market movements of the Singapore Stock Exchange. Nikkei index is in there, and the Hong Kong. Top 10 gainers and losers, just to give a bit of an overview of the stocks inside that index. It's also available, so again, fully interactive. On the right-hand side, you will find a personalized greeting message for the investor and a personalized greeting at the very bottom. If you scroll down, that is referring to the trader which the investor is working together with. So now, the most important thing about this communication is it works in two ways. The old communication works in one way. You send a document. So now if I click on Ask Advisor on the bottom, I directly can go and engage my trader with a chat. Can directly give feedback. I can request for a call. In short, I enable an additional channel for communication. Okay. So now we're going to show how this is done. The way it is done, we need to switch to the laptop to see that. We have our so-called interactive research portal. And now I'm doing a quick role play. I'm a junior research analyst now for Investico Private Limited, which is a securities firm in Singapore. And I'm going to write one of these reports now. Okay. So I will have an overview of all the reports to be done today. And now I get pre-populated data. I have the possibility to add boxes, which, as said before, connect to live data feeds. So you can see, drag and drop the information in, and we are able to generate the research document in a very interactive way. Okay. So once I finish typing, of course, now we only have 7 minutes. I'm not going to type a whole document. That's why we have the text here. Once that is done, I have to send it for approval because I just started working in this industry. I just finished university. So I'm going to send it to a senior manager in the bank, whose name is also Matthias, but just to make it a little bit look senior, it will arrive in my inbox, and I can see a document sent by Matthias Jr. and scroll through, have a look at it, and I can make comments and recheck and send it back, or I can get it delivered to the customers, which are the investors, fully automated by just one click. So if I click on Approve, the process is delivered. And here again, it's a very interactive process, and many companies still use Word. Okay, so now let's switch back to the camera, please. That's delivered. That's the one you have seen before, just to show you how it will look on other channels. We have the way how it looks on an iPhone. It's the same document, by the way. It's just viewed on a different device. See all the information available, the same menu. But now most of the investors, they're actually still on paper. especially the really rich people, they want to get this couriered in the morning as a nice looking document. So that's all created dependent on your preference. You have a fully personalized document with advice information, and you have the functionality to move to the interactive platform with just scanning a QR code. So this is what we see is the future for research documents, and I hope that we could talk to you at our booth, and as we would like to get some proof of concepts or some first talks with security firms to have a look on how we can get that integrated in the Asia market. Thanks very much. That's it.